See this endangered Florida panther being released into the wild. As soon as the gates open, he immediately runs into the wild. The team also added a tracker to his neck to get the latest updates on this endangered animal. As soon as the gates of the cage open, he runs away into the wild. We know turtles lay their eggs on the beach. This group found some recently hatched eggs on the shore. They seem to be filming the baby turtle going back into the ocean. Tiger was adopted when it was a baby. The poachers hunted its mom, so the forest ranger decided to take care of the baby. Now that it has grown into an adult, they have decided to release him into the wild so that he can enjoy his freedom. We are aware that some people pet these massive elephants. People eventually capture small elephant babies from their groups and then put chains all over them. This is a very disgraceful act. However, this is not the case here. After a few years of being caught, this elephant was released into the wild. We can see the chains all over his body. While releasing him, they removed all the chains, and now he is all set to go to his original home. Took him into the forest. There he was reunited with a group of elephants. These young boys decided to free their pet bird. You people definitely deserve a like. Thank you for being so kind. This baby langur monkey was freed into the forest after being rescued by a team. This chicken was in a cage for a long time. It wasn't even able to walk properly. These people freed him and gave him a new life. These people rescued a deer earlier, and after treatment, it was time to free him into the wild. These owls were rescued by a group of people. This footage is from India, where hunting and selling of owls is banned as per the Wildlife Protection Act. These people found 3 owls that needed help, so they rescued them. Later, they released them into the forest. That is a very kind gesture. This bear got a second chance. This deer fawn was stuck in the fence. He was lucky that there were some people present to help.
Okay, so before we move any further, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any update. Let's continue.
The work of some courageous Aussies, they've finally been set free.
They were hesitant first step. Instinct came quick. This is the first time.
To get free. What an incredible video.
Get out of here, man. Go. Get some water. Eat some food. I love y'all.
Wonderful woman. needs to go, and just like the penguin I showed in the clip before, it doesn't want to go. Some grizzly bears are let free, but the last one wants to give the trailer a piece of its mind.